In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect boards and mirror columns in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and explore this powerful feature that enhances the flexibility and interconnectedness of your workspaces. To get started, navigate to your Monday.com workspace. This is where the magic begins. You'll find your various boards here, each tailored for specific projects or areas of work. The ability to connect these boards and mirror columns can significantly streamline your workflow, providing a more unified and integrated view of your data. Now, within your workspace, look for the plus sign or the Add column option on the board where you'd like to make connections. Clicking this will open a menu of column options to choose from. In this context, we're focusing on the Connect Boards function, which you should select next. This step initiates the process of building bridges between different boards, allowing you to easily link data and information across your organization. After clicking on Connect Boards, you'll see an option to select the boards you wish to connect. Take a moment to think about which boards will benefit from being linked. This could be boards managed by different teams, or boards that track different components of the same project. Carefully choosing which boards to connect is crucial, as it facilitates a seamless flow of information. If you want even more functionality, consider creating a two-way connection. This feature allows changes made on one board to automatically reflect on the other, ensuring that all linked parties are always in sync with the latest updates. It's a simple but effective way to maintain consistent communication and data accuracy. Once you've decided on the boards to connect, click on Connect Boards again to finalize this new link. Passing this checkpoint means you're ready to create a mirror column within your newly connected boards. To add a mirror column, simply click on Create a Mirror Column. A mirror column will essentially replicate data from one board onto another connected board. This tool is especially useful for tasks like project status updates, where seeing changes reflective in multiple places can significantly improve efficiency. Next, choose which columns you want to mirror from the connected boards. Think about the type of information that's most beneficial to share across your teams, such as deadlines, task owners, or other key project details. Once you've set everything up, you're done. You've successfully connected your boards and created mirror columns, thus enhancing your Monday.com experience. Watch as your project management becomes more cohesive, thanks to these seamless connections. Remember, the goal here is to boost collaboration and maintain consistency across your data. Thanks for following along, and check back soon for more productivity tips.